What is the definition of harmonic conjugate? So here harmonic conjugate is harmonic conjugate. If P and Q divide AB internally and externally in the same ratio, then P is called harmonic conjugate of Q, and also Q is called harmonic conjugate of P. So here harmonic conjugate means, definition of harmonic conjugate is, if P and Q divide AB internally and externally in the same ratio, then P is called harmonic conjugate. In the shortcut form is HC, harmonic conjugate of Q, and also Q is called harmonic conjugate of P. So here P comma Q divides, what my here? This is line AB, this is line AB, and P is divides internally and Q is divides externally. So here P comma Q divide AB in the ratio, internally and externally in the same ratio, then P is called harmonic conjugate of Q, and also Q is called harmonic conjugate of P. For example, P is divide the straight line AB in the ratio L is to M, then the harmonic conjugate ratio is minus L is to M. So here P divides AB in the ratio L is to M, then the harmonic conjugate ratio is minus L is to M. So here, what is the points here? The harmonic conjugate of 4, 1 with respect to the point 3, 2 and minus 1, 6. First we have to find ratio. So here the point 4, 1 divides the line segment AB in the ratio is L is to M. Okay ma. What is the formula here? L is to M internally. So here 4, 1 equal to what is your given points are? A is 3, 2 and B is what my here? Minus 1, 6. So here x1, y1 and x2, y2. So here this is L is to M minus L plus 3M by L plus M. We have to find ratio, and 6L plus 2M by L plus M. So you are equating x coordinates and y coordinates, taking any one. L plus 3M by L plus M is equal to 4. So here minus L plus 3M equal to, this is equation number 1, and minus L plus 3M equal to what my here? 4L plus 4M, and so here we get here minus 5L equal to M. So here L by M is equal to minus 1 by 5. Therefore L is to M is equal to minus 1 is to 5. So here the conjugate ratio is what my here? L is to M. P divides AB internally L is to M, then harmonic conjugate is minus L is to M. So here ratio is minus 1 is to 5. Then the harmonic conjugate ratio is what ma? 1 is to 5. So here therefore L is to M is equal to the harmonic conjugate ratio is 1 is to 5. This is what ma? L M. So here from equation number 1, so we get what my here? L is 1, M is 5. So here minus 1 plus 15 by 1 plus 5. So here 6 into 6 plus 10 by 1 plus 5. So we get 14 by 6. 14 by 6 means 14 by 6, 7 by 3, so here 16 by 6, 8 by 3, 7 by 3, 8 by 3. So the option is what my here? Answer is 3. Your option is what my here? 3. Okay now? Yeah, next problem is the points A of 1 comma 2, B of minus 3 comma 4 and C of 7 comma minus 1 are collinear. The ratio are collinear. Then the ratio in which the ratio in which A divides BC is, options are 2:3, 3:2, minus 2:3, fourth option is minus 3:2. Okay, my here, seventh one is what my here? What is given things here? The points A of 1 comma 2, B of minus 3 comma 4 and C of 7 comma minus 1 are collinear. Then the ratio in which A divides BC. So here given points are collinear. What is the condition here? Collinear is area of the first one is area of the triangle equal to 0, and second one is sum of any two distances equal to other distance, and third one is the slope of AB equal to the slope of BC. Here we have to find the ratio means better than second condition. We have to find the distance of AB, BC, CA. Very easily that one. So here solution is given points are A of 1 comma 2, B of minus 3 comma 4 and C of 7 comma minus 1. Given points are. So here now we have to find AB distance. AB equal under root of x2 minus x1 whole square. The formula distance between 2 points y2 minus y1 whole square. So here AB is equal under root of, we have to find distance between 2 points. AB means minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 2 whole square equal to, we get minus 4, 16 plus 4 equal to root 20, and BC is equal to distance of BC minus 1 plus 3 whole square plus, this is BC means minus 3 comma 4, 7 comma 1, 7 plus 3 whole square plus minus 1 minus 4 whole square equal to 100 plus 25 root 125. So here CA, distance of CA equal what my here? CA, A is 1 comma 2, C is 7 comma 1, 1 minus 7 whole square plus 2 plus 1 whole square equal under root of minus 6 whole square means 36 plus 9 equal to root 45. So AB distance is root 20, BC distance is root 125, CA distance is root 45. So here root 20 it can be written as 2 root 5 and root 125 it can be written as 5 root 5. It is nothing but 5 root 5 means 25 into 5, 125. It is 3 root 5. So here what is the condition? Given points are collinear. Which condition satisfied my here? BC is equal to AB plus CA. BC is equal to, length of BC equal to AB plus CA equal to what my here? 5 root 5 equal to 5 root 5. 3 root 5 plus 2 root 5. 5 root 5. So here this condition is satisfied, BC equal to AB plus CA. So here these 3 points are collinear, and also we have to find what my here? The ratio in which A divides BC. A divides BC means here this is B, this is C. So here A divides BC means this is A A divides BC means ratio is what my here? AB is to AC. This means AB by AC. AB by AC equal what is the AB distance is 2 root 5. AB distance is 2 root 5 and CA distance is what ma 3 root 5. So here root 5 cancel equal what my here 2 by 3. So here AB is to BC. Sorry, AB is to AC equal 2 is to 3. So here option is what my here? First one. Option is 2 is to 3. Answer is 1. First one. Okay ma? So what is given things here? Given points are given A of 1 comma 2, B of minus 3 comma 4, C is 7 comma minus 1. These 3 points are collinear. Then the ratio in which A divides BC. So here the ratio in which A divides BC means AB is to AC. Then we have to find AB distance, BC distance, CA distance. We get 2 root 5, 5 root 5 and 3 root 5. So here BC equal to distance of AC plus distance of CA. So verified the given 3 points are collinear. Here A divides BC means AB is to BC. You write down AB equal to 2 root 5, AC equal to 3 root 5. We get 2 is to 3. Option is what ma? 1. The centroid of the triangle. The centroid of the triangle. This is symbol of triangle formed by P comma Q, Q comma R is P comma Q, Q comma R comma S and R comma S is 0 comma 0. Then P cube plus Q cube plus R cube equal to. First option is 0. Second option is 3PQR. Third option is PQ plus QR plus RS. Fourth one is PQR. Options are 0, 3PQR and PQ plus QR plus RS and fourth one is PQR. So your solution is what my here given points are. Given points are A is P comma Q, B is Q comma R and C is R comma S. Given that the centroid of the triangle ABC is 0 comma 0. Centroid is given 0 comma 0. What is the centroid of the triangle formula is? G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. So here y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Centroid of the triangle. So here what is your G is equal to 0 comma 0 and P plus Q plus R by 3. R plus Q plus P plus Q plus R equal to and Q plus R plus S by 3. This is centered of given 3 points and equating x coordinates and y coordinates. So we get P plus Q plus R by 3 and Q plus R plus S by 3 equal to 0. It is also 0. X coordinate is P plus Q plus R by 3 equal to 0 and Q plus R plus S by 3 equal to 0. We get, you are taking the condition 1, P plus Q plus R is equal to 0. So you are asking what my here? PQ plus QQ plus R cube. So in terms of either PQ plus P plus Q plus R. So here this is equation number 1. So here P plus Q equal to minus R. Plus R is goes to right hand side minus R. Cubing on both sides. P plus Q whole cube is equal minus R whole cube. So it can be written as P cube plus Q cube plus 3PQ equal to Q plus R equal minus R cube. So here P cube plus Q cube plus 3PQ plus 3PQ equal to Q plus R equal to what my here? Q plus 3pq plus p plus q. So here from 1 p plus q equal to, from 1 p plus q equal to minus r. So here substituting minus r equal to minus r cube. Therefore p cube plus q cube plus r cube is equal to what ma? R cube minus 3pqr equal to 0. So here p cube plus q cube plus r cube equal to 3 into pqr. So here option is what ma? 2. So here answer is 2. Okay. So here if the center of the triangle formed by 3 points are given PQ, QR, RS is centered is what ma? 0, 0. Then condition is PQ plus Q cube plus R cube equal to what? Okay ma. So here given points are taking A, B, C. Given that the center of the triangle ABC is 0, 0 and G is equal to formula center of the triangle x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So here G equal to what my here? Center is given 0, 0. We get x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 is p plus q plus r by 3, q plus r plus s by 3, equating x coordinate equal to 0 and y coordinate equal to 0. Okay ma, we get two equations taking one p plus q plus r equal to 0 and p plus q equal to minus r. In this equation p plus q equal to minus r, cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides means p plus q whole cube equal to minus r cube. So here p plus q whole cube equal to formula is p cube plus q cube plus 3pq into p plus q equal to minus r cube. Here substituting p plus q equal to what my here? Minus r. We get minus 3pq r equal to 0. So here pq plus qq plus r cube equal to 3pqr. So option is what my here? 2. The ninth problem is a triangle with vertices, a triangle with vertices 4, 0, minus 1, minus 1 and 3, 5 is. So here first one, an isosceles, an isosceles and right angled, isosceles and right angle, and second one is an isosceles but not right angle. Third one is a right angle but not isosceles, and fourth one is neither right angle. Okay, a triangle with vertices are 3 vertices are given. A triangle with vertices A of 4, 0 and B of minus 1, minus 1 and C of 3, 5 is these 3 points form an isosceles and right angle triangle, an isosceles but not right angle, a right angle but not isosceles, neither right angle nor isosceles. So verify here given points are. What my here given points are? Given points are A of 4, 0, B of minus 1, minus 1 and C of 3, 5. 3, 5. So here we have to find AB distance. AB distance. What is the AB distance is? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance between 2 points. Okay ma. Here distance between 2 points equal AB equal to under root of minus AB distance 4, 0 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 whole square x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 is minus 1 minus 0 whole square. So here AB equal to under root of 25 plus 1, it is root 26. So here BC distance is 3 plus 1 whole square 5 plus 1 whole square equal to 16 plus 36 equal to root 52. So here CA distance equal under root of, what is the CA distance is? 3 minus 4 whole square plus 5 minus 0 whole square. We get 1 plus 25 equal to root 26. Here we observe that the distance of AB equal to the distance of CA and BC square equal to AB square plus BC square, AB square plus CA square. Yes, AB distance is what, my here? Root 26, BC distance is root 52 and CA distance is root 26. We observe that AB equal to CA and BC square equal to AB square plus CA square. We get what, my here? BC square means 52 equal to 26 plus 26. So 52 equal to 52. Therefore, which condition this is? Yeah. AB equal to CA and BC square equal to AB square plus C square. The isosceles and right angled. Isosceles and right angles. Answer is what, my here? 1. So here this condition is isosceles and this condition is right angle. So here an isosceles and a right angle. The distance between, if the distance between the points k comma 2 and 3 comma 4 is 8 units, then find k. Find k. First one 3 plus or minus root 60, second one root 60, third one minus root 60, fourth one 57. The points k comma 2 and 3 comma 4 is 8 units. Then find k comma 2 and 3 comma 4. What is your distance between 2 points is? The distance between 2 points is what, my here? AB is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here the distance between 2 points is 8 units. So here given AB is equal to 8. AB is equal to 8. Given points are here A k comma 2 and B is 3 comma 4. So here distance between 2 points is 8 and root over 3 minus k whole square plus 4 minus 2 whole square equal to 8. So here squaring on both sides, 3 minus k whole square equal to 3 minus k whole square plus 4 equal to 64. 3 minus k whole square means 9 plus k square minus 6k minus 60 equal to 0. 4 minus 64 equal to 0. So what my here? K square minus 6k, k square minus 6k minus 51 equal to 0. So here factors k is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. You have to find factors. So here k is equal to minus b means 6 plus or minus under root of 36 minus 4 into a is 1, c is minus 51. How much more? Minus 51 means 51 into 4, minus and minus plus. So here k equal to 6 plus or minus under root of 51 into 4, 204 plus 36, 240 by 2. So here k equal, so here k is equal to 6 plus or minus 240, it can be written as 4 into 60 by 2. So here k is equal to 6 plus or minus 4, root 4 means 2 root of 60, it can be written as by 2. So here k is equal to, here 2 is taking common, 3 plus or minus root 60. So here option is what, my here? 1. 3 plus or minus root 60. So here, what are the given things here? If the distance between 2 points k comma 2 and 3 comma 4 is 8 units, that is AB is equal to 8. AB means distance between 2 points under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So you are applying the formula root over 3 minus k whole square plus 4 minus 2 whole square equal to 8. Squaring on both sides we get 3 minus k whole square plus 4 minus 2 whole square means 4. So equal to 64. So here simplifying this one, 3 minus k whole square equal 9 minus 9 plus k square minus 6k minus 60, 4 minus 64, minus 60 equal to 0. So here k square minus 6k, 9 minus 60 means minus 51 equal to 0. Here find the factors. We know that factors the formula k equal minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here k is equal to minus b means already b equal to minus 6, minus in minus plus or minus under root b square means minus 6 whole square, 36 minus 4 into 1 into minus 51. We get what no? K equal to 6 plus or minus root 40 by 2. Root 40 it can be written as 4 into 60. 4 is goes to outside 2 root 60. So here 2 is taking common, 2 cancel. We get 3 plus or minus root 60. Answer is what my here? Option is 1. So here now discuss about new chapter, locus. What is the definition of locus? Okay ma? The definition of locus is the set of all points satisfying a given condition or given property or given geometrical property is called a locus. What my here? This is locus is belongs to coordinate geometry. First one, the definition of locus is the set of all points satisfying a given condition or given property is called a locus. Here, the set of all points satisfying a given condition or given property is called a locus. Every point satisfies the given condition is a point on the locus. So next point is what my here? This is the definition. Here next point is every point satisfying the given condition is a what my point on the locus. So here next point is every point on the locus is satisfying the given condition. Okay ma. Conversely, so here every point satisfying the given condition is a point on the locus, and every point on the locus is satisfying the given condition. Next definition is in a locus, equation of locus. What is the definition of equation of locus? Okay ma? Here the relation between algebraic relation between x and y, the algebraic relation between x and y obtained by applying the given conditions, is called the equation of locus. Now discuss about what my definition of equation of locus. The algebraic relation between x and y obtained by applying the given condition. Is called the equation of locus. What is the definition of locus my here? The set of all points satisfying the given condition or given property is called a locus. And one of the point is very important point. every point satisfying the given condition is a point on the locus, and conversely every point on the locus is satisfying the given condition. Okay ma. And now discuss about here equation of locus. Equation of locus means the algebraic relations. Algebraic relations means x and y. The algebraic relation between x and y obtained by applying the given condition is called a equation of locus. Equation of locus is always the relation between x and y, means what my here, f of x comma y equal to 0. The coordinates of a point, the coordinates x comma y are satisfying the equation f of x comma y equal to 0. This is what my algebraic relation between x and y. The locus of a point P which is equidistant from given 2 points. Equidistant from given 2 points. The locus of a point P which is equidistant from given 2 points. 2 points means what my here? This is the locus of a point is what my here? P. Equidistant. Equidistant means equal distance. Given 2 points taking A. This is what my B. Given 2 points A comma B. Okay ma. The locus of a point is P which is equidistant from given 2 points. Equidistant means PA equal to PB. What is the condition here? PA equal to BB. So here the locus of a point P satisfying the given condition. What is the given condition is here? PA equal to PB. What about P is? Locus of a point. The locus of a point satisfying the given condition or given property is called a locus. Okay ma. Locus of a point means in terms of x and y. Let P of x comma y be the point on the locus which is equidistant from given 2 points, means the condition is PA equal to PB. This is example 1. And example 2 is the locus of a point P which is distance from A of 5 comma 4, sorry, A of 5 comma 4, 5 comma 4, the locus of a point, any point, the locus of a point which is distance from a point A comma 5 comma 4 is 5 units. 5 units. The locus of a point P which is at a distance of 5 units from A. What is here? Second condition is the locus of a point P which is at a distance of 5 units from the point A. What is the condition here? Given condition here, the locus of a point is P which is at a distance from A is what ma? 5 units. So here therefore condition is what ma here? PA equal to 5. PA equal to what ma here? 5. What is the condition here? P is what my here? Locus of a point. A is given point, given condition. So here the locus of a point which is at a distance of 5 units from A, then condition is what my here? PA is equal to 5. So here the condition is here P is what my here? Locus of a point. This point is satisfying the given condition or given property is called a what ma? Locus. What is your point here? P x comma y. For example here the locus of a point P which is at a distance of 5 units from A of 5 comma 4. Okay ma, what is the condition here? PA is equal to 5. What is the locus of a point is? Locus of a point is what my here? P of x comma y. Given point is A of 5 comma 4. Given condition is PA is equal to 5. What is the PA means? Distance between 2 points. What is the distance between 2 points? Under root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal what ma? 5. So your what is your P means? X comma y. A means what ma? 5 comma 4. We get under root of x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 5. Squaring on both sides we get x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 5. X square plus 25 minus 10x plus y square plus 16 minus y square plus 16 minus 8y equal to, it is squaring on both sides means 25 equal to 25. So here we get x square plus y square minus 10x minus 8y, 16 plus 25 41, 25 cancel. So here plus 16 equal to 0, which is a equation of the locus. What is the equation of the locus is in terms of x and y, f of x comma y equal to 0, algebraic equation. We get this is equation of the locus. The required equation of the locus is x square plus y square minus 10x minus 8y plus 16 equal to 0. It is in terms of x and y. That is my equation of locus. For example, here the locus of a point P, which is equidistant from the given 2 points. Taking 2 points is 1, 0 A is and B is 0, 1. Taking 2 points, A is 1, 0 and B is 0, 1. Equidistant. Equidistant means PA equal to PB. What is here P? Locus of a point P of x, y. So here PA is equal to PB. So here PA is equal to distance between 2 points, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here squaring on both sides we get root is cancelled. We get distance between 2 points PA and PB. So here P is here x, y. A is 1, 0 equal. Here P is x, y. B is here 0, 1. What is the here distance between 2 points? X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. Okay, ma. So here x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square. So here x square plus y square plus 1 minus 2y. X square plus 2 x square plus y square plus 2y. We get what here? X square, y square, x square, y square cancel. 1 also cancel we get. Here 1 also cancel. So here minus 2x is equal to minus 2y. 2 also cancel. We get minus cancel. X minus y equal to 0. X minus y equal to 0 means this is a equation of the locus. It is a equation of the locus means x minus y. It is f of x comma y equal to 0. So here totally four points are very important. The set of all points satisfying a given condition or given property is called a locus, and every point satisfying the condition is a point on the locus. Conversely, every point on the locus is satisfying the given condition. And fourth one is equation of locus, algebraic relation between x and y obtained by applying the given conditions is called algebraic. Given condition is called equation of locus, and it is in the form of f of x comma y equal to 0, the locus of a point satisfying the condition. What is the first problem here? The locus of the point for which the sum of the squares of distances from the coordinate axis is 25. Locus of the point for which coordinate axis means the line meets the x-axis at x comma 0, y-axis at 0 comma y. Here the locus of a point is P of x comma y. Okay, ma. Here the locus of the point for which the sum of squares of distances from the coordinate axis is 25. This is taking what my origin 0 comma 0. Origin is 0 comma 0. So your solution is, let P of x comma y be the point on the locus. P of x comma y be the point on the locus. Given condition is PA square plus PB square equal to PA square plus PB square equal to 25. So here PA square means under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root is cancelled here. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus PB means also x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to 25. So here x minus x 0 plus y minus 0 square PA square plus PB square x minus 0 square plus y minus y 0 square equal to 25. So here y square plus x square equal to what more? 25. Here the locus of the point for which the sum of the squares of the distances from the coordinate axis is 25 is options are x square plus y square equal to 25, and second option is x square plus y square equal to 9, third option is x square plus y square equal to 32, and fourth option is x square plus y square equal to 29. What is given things here? The locus of the point. What is your locus of the point is? Let p of x comma y be the point on the locus. Given condition is pa square plus pb square equal to 25. So here this is a line meets the coordinate axis at a of x comma 0 and 0 comma y. These are coordinate axis, x axis and y axis. P of x comma y is the locus of a point. Given condition is pa square plus pb square. The sum of the squares of the distances from the coordinate axis is 25. So here pa square plus pb square equal to 25. So here p square means root cancel by applying the distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus here also same formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to 25. So here applying we get x2 minus x1 pa. x2 minus x1 means x minus x 0 y minus 0 y square plus x minus 0 x square plus y minus 0 is what ma 0. So we get y square plus x square equal to 25. What is given things here? The equation of the locus of the point. What is the equation of the locus of the point is? Solution is let p of x comma y be the point on the locus. Point on the locus. So here the equation of the locus of the point p whose distances from x axis. Distances from x axis means distances from x axis. What is the point on the x axis is? The point on the the point on the x axis is a of x comma 0 and the point on the y axis is b of 0 comma y. Okay ma. The point on the x axis is a of x comma 0 and the point on the y axis is b of 0 comma y. Because here the point lies on the x axis means y coordinate 0, the point lies on the y axis means x coordinate is 0. So here given thing says that the locus of the point whose distance from the x axis is twice the distance from y axis. So here what is your locus of the point is pa. So here the distance of the point from the x axis is, that means pa is equal to given condition is pa equal to twice the distance from p to y axis, that means pb. So here squaring on both sides, pa square is equal to 4 pb square. What is the pa square means? Distance between 2 points p x comma y. A is what my here? X comma 0 and here p is x comma y, b is 0 comma y. So here applying distance formula, p square is there. P square means root is cancelled. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here also x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We get x minus x whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal 4 into x minus 0 whole square plus y minus y whole square. So here x minus x whole square means 0 plus y square equal to 4 into x square. So here y square equal to 4x square. The required equation of the locus is y square equal to 4x square. So here answer is 1. Y square equal to 4x square. Condition is very, very important. First of all, we identify the condition. After that, applying the only distance formula. very distance formula is very important, and the given condition also very important. The locus, let P of x comma y be the point on the locus, for which the distance from P to 0 comma 5 double the distance from P to y axis. Option says 3x square plus y square plus 10y minus 25 equal to 0. Second option is 3x square minus y square plus 10y plus 25 equal to 0. And third one is 3x square minus y square plus 10y minus 25 equal to 0. And 3x square plus 4y square minus 10y minus 25 equal to 0. The equation of the locus of the point for which the distance from P to 0 comma 5 is double the distance from P to y axis. So here solution is, let P of x comma y be the point on the locus, and the point on the y axis is B of 0 comma y. So here given point is A of 0 comma 5. So here given condition is, what is the given condition? The equation of the locus of the point P, for which the distance from P to A means what my here? PA is double means 2 into the distance from P to y axis. What is the point on the y axis is B. So here P to y axis means PB. Here also squaring on both sides. PA square is equal to 4PB square. Here PA square means the distance between P and A. Square is there, root is cancelled. We get x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here PA square means x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equal to 4 into PB square means B is 0 comma y, P is x comma y. So here x minus 0 whole square plus y minus y whole square. So here x square plus y square plus 25 minus 10y equal to 4x square. So we get what much 3x square minus y square plus 10y minus 25 equal to 0. Which option? 3x square minus y square 10y minus 25. Option is 3. Answer is 3. All of you understand? Here condition is very important. The equation of the locus of the point P. The locus of the point P taken what my here? P. The distance from P to 0 comma A. Given point is A. Distance P to A means PA is double. PA equal to 2 into PB. Squaring on both sides, PA square equal to 4 into PB square. Applying the distance formula, we get 3x square minus y square plus 10y minus 25 equal to 0. Fourth one, the locus of a point. We are taking what my locus of a point is P. Solution, let P of x comma y be the point on the locus which is at a distance of 5 units from the x-axis. The point on the x-axis is A of x comma 0. The point on the x-axis is A of x comma 0. Given condition is what ma? PA is equal to 5. The locus of a point P which is at a distance of 5 units from x-axis. The point on the x-axis is A of x comma 0. So here given condition is PA equal to 5. So squaring on both sides, we get root is cancelled in distance formula. PA square equal 25. So here x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to 25. So here P is x comma y and a is x comma 0. So here x minus x whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 25. It is 0. So here y square equal to 25. So your answer is 2. It is nothing but y square minus 25 equal to 0. Y square minus 25 equal to 0. Option is what, ma? Second one, which is equidistant from the points a of minus 2 comma 3 and b of 6 comma minus 5. Point which is equidistant from the points a and b is. So here also let p of x comma y be the point on the locus. Given condition is PA equal to PB. So here PA means distance between 2 points under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here also this is applying root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root is cancelled, we get squaring on both sides. PA square equal to PB square. Root is cancelled here. So applying x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, P and A. So given points are A is minus 2 comma 3 and B is 6 comma minus 5. So here x plus 2, P is what my here? X comma y. X plus 2 whole square, y minus 3 whole square equal to x minus 6 whole square, y plus 5 whole square. PA equal to PB. So here x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y, x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square plus 25 plus 10y. Applying distance formula, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, x square cancel here, y square cancel, and we get what my here? 4x minus 6y plus 13 left hand side. Right hand side is minus 12x plus 10y, 36 plus 25 plus 61. So you are taking one side, 12x is goes to 16x, 10y minus 6y minus 16y, 13 minus 61 minus 48 equal to 0. 16 is taking common, x minus y minus 4, 3 is equal to 0. I think x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. X minus y minus 3 equal to 0. So here x minus y equal to 3. X minus y equal to 3. Option is 2. So your answer is, if a of minus a comma 0 and b of minus a comma 0, then the locus of the point P such that condition also is given here, PA square plus PB square equal to 2C square. Here P is a locus of a point and given points are A and B, minus a comma 0 and b of minus a comma 0. So your solution is, let P of x comma y be the point on the locus, okay ma, P such that. So your given points are A is minus a comma 0 and B is minus a comma 0. If A of a comma 0 and b of minus a comma 0, then the locus of the point P such that PA square plus PB square equal to 2C square is. First option, x square plus y square plus a square minus c square equal to 0. Second option, x square plus y square plus a square plus c square equal to 0. Third one is 2x square plus y square plus 3a square minus c square equal to 0. Fourth one is x square plus y square plus a square plus 2c square equal to 0. Given points are a of a comma 0 and b of minus a comma 0. Let P of x comma y be the point on the locus. What is the condition is given? Given condition is PA square plus PB square equal to 2C square. What are the here P square means? Distance between 2 points P and A, and this is P and B. So equal to 2c square. So here P square means x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here square is there, root is not there. So here x plus A, x minus A whole square, x minus A whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus PB square. PB square means P and B. X plus A whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 2c square. It can be written as x minus x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square plus x square plus a square plus 2ax plus y square equal to 2c square. Okay. So here x square plus x square 2x square plus y square 2y square minus 2ax plus 2ax cancel. A square plus a square is 2a square minus 2c square equal to 0. Overall 2 is taking common, x square plus y square plus a square minus c square equal to 0. 2 is goes to the side, x square plus y square plus a square minus c square equal to 0. So option is 1. X square plus y square, a square plus minus c square.